Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about TP-Link Deco BE85 Wi-Fi 7 router. So friend, TP-Link has integral Wi-Fi 7 router known as the Deco BE85 and the product will be available for purchase from 21st September, and this groundbreaking router first unveiled in March of the year and including support for 12 stream tri-band configuration with maximum speed of 11,520 Mbps on the 6 GHz band, 8640 Mbps on the 5 GHz band, and 1376 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. And the main unit is equipped with 8 high-gain antennas. Furthermore, it offers functionalities such as seamless roaming, enable multiple Deco units to collaborate and unify the SSID for connected Wi-Fi networks, and additionally, it incorporates TP-Link HomeShield, providing advanced security features for safeguarding home networks, and the router is compatible with various wireless LAN standards including IEEE 802.11be, AX, AC, APGN, and it offers a range of interface including one 10 gigabit port, one 10 gigabit SFP plus RJ45 combo port, two 2.5 gigabit ports, and one USB 3.0 port. Encryption option encompasses WPA. Encryption option encompasses WPA-Personal, WPA-2 Personal, WPA-3 Personal, and the router's dimensions measure 128 mm in width, 128 mm in depth, and 236 mm in height, and it comes with a 3-year product warranty. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.